fit the skimmer box. Skimmer box needs to be buried down in the ground. Pack it in fairly tight and level it up. It will need to be level front, side to side and front to back. Skimmer box all in place, leveled up and soil packed around it. Plumbing connected to the skimmer box. Now as we carry on digging the pond, we can finish burying our plumbing. Now fitting the liner to the skimmer box. Just need to make sure that it's going to fit properly. Take the faceplate, position it on the liner, and fit the two top outside screws. Use a sharp object, nail, brad awl or similar to poke the hole through first and then push the screw through afterwards. Now pull the faceplate and liner away from the skimmer box, fold it down, clean both surfaces, and run sealer around the screw holes. Just a nice thick bead of sealer around the screw holes. Good quality fish safe sealant that's designed for permanent immersion in water. Refit the faceplate with the two screws still in place to guide you into position. Fit the nuts to the back side of the screws. And then carry on around the faceplate, placing all the screws in position. Don't tighten them fully until you have them all in and nuts are attached to the back of them. Once they're all in, you can tighten them up. And then leave for 24 hours before running a sharp knife around the inside and cutting a piece of liner out from the inside. Now rock in up to the skimmer.